Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Place the watch face down on a soft cloth so the screen stays safe. Locate the small quick-release pin or latch on the strap where it meets the watch body. This is what holds the band in place. Use a fingernail or small tool to push the spring pin inward toward the strap's center while you slightly pull the strap away. You'll feel the pin retract. Once it does, the strap will detach cleanly. Don't rush this step. Once the pin is retracted, gently slide the strap out of the lug. If it catches, stop and retract the pin again to avoid bending it. Make sure you inspect the lug and spring pin for debris or damage. Clean with a dry brush or cloth if needed, because grime can prevent a secure fit later. Now repeat the exact same removal method on the other side. Press, pull, and slide. Keeping consistent technique ensures both straps come off. To reattach, align the spring pin ends with the lug holes and compress the pin while seating the strap into the lug. Once aligned, release and listen for the snap. This confirms a secure fit. If the band refuses to seat, make sure the pin isn't upside down or bent. Adjust orientation and retry slowly. If a pin is stuck or damaged, use a precision pin tool or take it to service rather than forcing it. Forcing can damage the lug or strap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.